So, if you're struggling in life financially, you'll definitely want to focus on really getting amazing job opportunities, at least for now, and then eventually shifting toward investing your money more. So, if you're looking to find better job opportunities, the first thing I would say you should do is go to Indeed.com and do some research. You can literally type in different career paths, different keywords, figure out what is the demand for this career path. Are there a lot of people looking for employees in this particular area? And then what is the pay in this area? Is this a high paying job or career path? So definitely, if you're looking to improve your work opportunities and your career and your income, go on to Indeed and literally just see on Indeed by searching different things and filtering through the different options, see what career paths are best for you to go in the direction for your career. And ideally, you'll want to do this at a younger age, for instance, for your children as they're graduating school. But you can definitely do this at any stage of your life.